Should go through
The next
to the
one,
next one.
and yeah.
So here we have a modern kitchen design in platinum and walnut granite finish. So this
And
kitchen design,
we call it N.
it's called Anne. So this kitchen design is based on the L-shaped kitchen layout, a T-shaped kitchen layout.
T-shape.
So,
Yeah, and we are at the T-shape here, and at the left side is the cooking area, right?
yeah, here is a cooking area, cooking zone for your cooking process. Here's a stove for your cooking.
Yeah.
And also we are having a preparation zone for your meal preparation.
Yeah,
And
and
here-
right here there's a storage here.
Yeah, there
area.
is a storage zone for your family.
Yeah, and there's a sliding door right here. So if you like to cover this size, you just move the sliding door there. And there's a movable socket right here, so you can use some small appliances such as the coffee machine. Yeah, and rice cooker right here.
Yeah, you can put all those home appliances into the storage zone.
Yeah.
And right here we are having a sink with a tape, which is a washing zone for your for your cooking.
So you are standing on the golden triangle, right?
Yeah, here's a golden triangle we are based on to design the T-shaped kitchen layout. So it's a triangle between the sink,
Preparation area.
the preparation area, and the cooking zone, cooking area.
Yeah.
So it will make your cooking process much efficient and convenient.
Yeah. So we can also introducing some small details such as a golden light.
Yeah, we are adding some golden lines on the kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, drawers, drawers.
Yeah. And also on the handle, built-in handle.
And for the finish, we are using a powder coating finish, and with platinum colored.
Yeah.
And also, if you come closer, you can see all those shining effects on the kitchen cabinet's panels. It's really beautiful and elegant, suitable for all different kinds of decor style family home.
Yeah, so except for the kitchen cabinets, Oppein also provide a whole set kitchen, including the appliances. So for example, this range hood. I would like to show the intelligence of this range hood.
Yeah, it's a smart range hood that you can see from this from the hand, waving your hands, and you can turn on the range hood in a much easier way.
Yeah, exactly.
And here we have a decorative panel to cover the range hood, the upper side of the range hood. And also, as a home space solution provider, we are not only providing you with single cabinets, we are providing you with a solution for the entire space. So as you can see, we are in the dining and cooking combo.
Yeah.
Here we have a kitchen cabinets, and here we have a sideboard.
And also the dining area.
Yeah, here we have a dining table and chairs to make a dining area.
Yeah.
And about the sideboard, we are choosing the same elements as the kitchen cabinets to make the entire design and integrated beauty.
Yeah, I think it's a design of a wet kitchen combining with the dry kitchen. Yeah. Okay, so right here we can also have a small cooking area with an built-in oven. So let's see the intelligence of our oven design. So as you can see, the function of baking, steaming, and you can also check the menu right here.
Yeah, Oppa can always offer you all different kinds of home appliances, kitchen appliances, as well, like these ovens or the range hoods, the stoves, and all different kinds of small appliances for your cooking,
Yeah.
for your kitchen. And right here we have a small worktop for as a beverage station for your family. So we have a coffee machine right here for you to make some beverage for the guest, to entertain your guest.
Yeah, and also some drawers to store the tablewares. Yeah.
Here we also have a lot of drawers and cabinets to support
Yeah.
all different kinds of grocery storage. Um,
Okay.
uh-huh.
And also there are some small details for the making full use of the whole wall. So there's a movable hanging rod here.
Yeah, we made a building track on the backsplash, and to fully use the vertical space for storage. Like you can put all those spice and the condiments on the shelves to make all those little things handy when you are cooking.
Yeah. So this is Anne.
This is
Yeah.
Anne, and we are going to move to another kitchen design.